Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. In this short video I want to address a small problem that I see a lot of people is facing, and no one has addressed this topic. So a lot of people are writing to me that after they use metal how they called replaceable pods like this, afterwards they cannot use normal plastic pods or the original pods anymore, and they don't understand why. So in this video I just want to explain to you to be careful when you use these replaceable pods from metal. Be careful to these pods to have this small groove, as you can see it here, where the knives will rest. And to explain, to visualize this better, I have here a cup holder, let's call it like this, or a pod holder inside of a unit. Actually, it's located here, like this, like so. Yeah. So when you put the cup inside, this will enter and it will push it against the diffuser plate. Okay. So as you can see here, let's put some light in it. So as you can see here, there are some small knives inside. Yeah, 3 knives that need to perforate this this aluminum foil over here. Then water will be pressurized inside the cup, and this part will, let's call, explode, and then the coffee will be filtered into the diffuser plate. Yeah, so you can see this is flat here. When you use these pods, this type of pods, be careful to have this groove overhead. Otherwise, this will be pushed against the knives, and the knives will be bent, meaning that after you will switch back to this part will be not perforated anymore. Yeah. So as you can see, this has already some holes inside, so there's no need for the knives to perforate anything for the metal ones. Yeah. So I saw there are on the market a lot of metal ones without these grooves here, or the grooves are really small, and they will dull the knives, the small knives inside. So just wanted to make this video for you to know what to buy and what to be careful for. So I hope this video helped you. If yes, give it a thumbs up. Just to know, consider subscribing to my channel, and yeah, I'm always open for your question in the comment section below. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye-bye.